In this video, we will have a look at how to add drivers via drivers by model. It is important to identify the hardware model name before adding drivers to the drivers by model section. This can be achieved via different methods. 1. When a test project is executed on a group of hardware devices, the model name is automatically displayed in the test project success window and created as folders on the OSD manager device. 2. Finding the name of the hardware model by using the built-in standalone VB script. The script is located in the Data OS Deployment Model Name directory on the Agent Installation drive. 3. The model name that can be found under Computer System Model in the Hardware Inventory section of an agent device. Drivers by model are folders that contain all drivers that are pertinent to a specific hardware model. The steps to add drivers under drivers by model are as below. Log in to the Client Management Console, navigate to the OS Deployment OSD Manager, Drivers by Model node, create a directory under drivers by model with the hardware model name. Right-click on drivers by model and select Transfer Files to transfer the respective driver files to the directory created. Right-click on drivers by model and select the Scan Drivers by Model option to scan the drivers. The drivers for the specific hardware model have now been scanned and successfully added under drivers by model. With that, let's move to the demo of adding drivers specific to hardware models under the drivers by model section. To add drivers to the drivers by model node for a specific model, we need to first find the model name of the device. To find the hardware model name, we will use the inbuilt standalone VB script. This script can be found on any client device with the BCM agent installed on it. The script can be found in the installation drive in the client data OS deployment model name directory. Run the model name.vbs script. On running the script, it will provide the model name of the device on which it is run. Here we get the PC model as Latitude 5411. In the Client Management Console, go to the OS Deployment module, the OSD Manager, Drivers by Model. Right-click on Drivers by Model and select Create Directory. Enter Latitude 5411 and click OK. Now we have the directory created for drivers of model Latitude 5411. To transfer the driver files to the Latitude 5411 directory, right-click on Drivers by Model, select File Transfer. The File Transfer window will open, which will allow us to copy the driver files to the OSD Manager device. In the left window, select the driver files. Select the target directory on the OSD Manager and click the arrow between the two boxes to start the transfer. Select Close when the required files have been transferred. When adding drivers for the first time or making any changes to the drivers by model, the files need to be scanned to make projects aware of these changes by default. To do so, right-click on Drivers by Model and select Scan Drivers by Model. On the confirmation window, select Yes. This will start the scan. Select Close. We now see that the respective drivers have been added to the Drivers by Model directory for Latitude 5411. With this, we complete the demo of Drivers by Model. Thank you.